Hindi po ba, or better yet, alam niyo po ba, Miss Gina Acosta, na ikaw, yung maaring makulong kapag napatunayan sa isang criminal court yung crime, for example, ng plunder. Alam niyo yung gravity ng isang kaso for plunder?
Ask and answered, Your Honor,
not
and
yet, not
the
yet.
prosecution is badgering the
There
witness,
is no
Your
man,
Honor.
Your Honor, I am testing the credibility of this witness.
Overruled,
Correct.
counsel.
Overruled.
Overruled, counsel. If
Oh.
the witness knows, she's not a lawyer, and
Oh.
her background is customs administration. If she knows, alam niyo po ba yung sagot sa tanong ng abogado, Ms. Gina?
Di ko alam ang
Okay, hindi mo
ibig
alam.
sabihin yun, Your Honor.
Hindi nyo alam, ma'am, na between you and Colonel La Chica, kasi Colonel La Chica ay wala namang track, walang trace sa mga dokumento. Eh, ikaw yung po pwedeng makulong for misappropriation of confidential funds, hindi si Colonel La Chica. That question is so simple. Alam nyo po ba yan?
Speculative, Your Honor.
Your Honor, okay, can I explain? That's not speculative, Your Honor, please. That's not an if and when question. There's basis for that.
Witness will answer. If she knows.
Yes, based sa GC po, ang accountable officer po ay ang SDO. Kaya po, ako ang accountable officer, kaya I see to it na merong documents po na maibigay si Colonel La Chica after po, matapos po ang pag-implement ng confidential activities, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kasi ako po ang magagawa ng liquidation kasi ako man po ang accountable officer, Your Honor.
Okay, a few more questions, Your Honor, please.
Proceed, counsel.
Now, madam, paulit-ulit sinasabi nyo, yung certification nyo, liquidation report, base yan sa dokumento, tsaka inputs, information galing mismo sa isang tao, galing sa isang tao lang, si Colonel La Chica, hindi po ba?
Yes,
Now this is now the question now. Ma'am, alam nyo po ba yung nilalaman ng letter C ng 6.3 ng joint circular? Okay, do we have that, please? Show that. While it is being shown, babasahin ko for the public to understand. Trabaho ng isang opisina, head of agency, no? To institute and maintain sound and effective internal control measures to discourage and prevent irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, and unconscionable expenditures, as well as promote prudence in the use of government resources. Trabaho po ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President, Head of Agency, na magkaroon ng internal control upang mapigilan yung irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant. Now, ito yung tanong now. Yung proseso nyo, binibigay mo kay Colonel La Chica yung 125 million pesos. Colonel La Chica yung nagsasabi ano yung activities. Nagsasubmit siya ng mga dokumento na inamin nyo, wala kayong personal knowledge. Hindi nyo alam kung totoo ba. Now, nagpapakita ba yan ng rene-require na internal control sa loob ng Office of the Vice President? Yes or no?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
There's basis to the question, Your Honor.
If that's your last question, counsel, I'll allow it. But actually, it is argumentative.
Another one, Your Honor. Another one.
Proceed to your last question, counsel.
Now, eto now. Yung tinatanong sa'yo, sinasabi mo, bine-verify ko naman yung mga inputs, yung mga information, yung mga dokumento galing kay Colonel La Chica. Naalala niyo po ba yan?
Yes, giverify ko
Now,
kay security officer, Your Honor.
In verifying information handed to you, delivered to you, documents delivered to you by Colonel La Chica, ma'am, hindi po ba kalukuhan na yung bine-verify nyo, yung tao mismo nagbigay ng information?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Counsel, reform counsel. You know what I'm referring to.
That's all for this witness, Your Honor.